Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're looking for the latest and best enroute jewelry coupon code, then you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a 100% working enroute jewelry discount code that can help you save more on your purchase. Enroute jewelry is popular for its trendy and stylish everyday jewelry, including rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and other beautiful accessories. So before placing your order, it's always a good idea to use the latest coupon code and grab the best available discount. Now to get the latest enroute jewelry coupon code, all you need to do is scroll down to the description box below this video. I've added a special link there just for you. Simply click on that link and it will take you directly to our website where you'll always find the latest verified and working enroute jewelry coupon codes and promo offers. Once you're on the page, just click on the Get Code button. Copy the latest coupon code. Then visit the enroute jewelry website through the provided link. Add your favorite products to your cart and paste the coupon code during checkout to claim your discount. I'm not showing any specific coupon code in this video because enroute jewelry updates its offers regularly during different sales and promotional events. So the code that works today may not be the same tomorrow. That's why the description link will always have the newest and working coupon available. So don't miss out. Check the description now. Grab your latest enroute jewelry coupon code. Save as much as possible on your order. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest coupon code and discount videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.